Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide commands in Google Sheets. So if you are distracted by the comments on your Google spreadsheet, you can just hide it, and this tutorial will show you how you can easily hide commands and keep your workspace neat, so it will make it easier to focus on the task at hand. So what you need to do is just find the comments that you want to hide. You can see in here. And here you can just go to view at the top and there will be this comment options, and you can see there will be this hide comments. You can just tap on this, or you can also use a shortcut control plus alt plus shift and G. So just click on this, and as you guys can see, the comments has been hidden. And when you click on the comments report, there will be no comments shown in here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.